Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 216. If we start with this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. But I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 7. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 7, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 5, 1, 5. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 4, 6. 6 here, so 2, 4, 8. 6 and 8 here, so 2, 4. 2, 4, and 6 here makes this our 8. We can get rid of this 8. And now if we look at that box, the only place the 6 can be is here. And that 6 makes this our 5, 6. This column now we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got a 2 here and an 8 here, so this is our 4. That 2 makes this our 8, 2. For this box, we're only missing an 8. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 3. 6 here, so 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 1, 5. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 9. And I don't see any help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here and a 6 here. So 2, 3. 4 here, so 2, 3, 6. 3 and 6 here. So 2, 4, and same here, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 1, 5, 8, and 9. We got the 1 and 8 here, so 5, 9. 1, 5, and 8 here means this is our 9. That makes this our 5. 1 here, so 8, 1. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 5. We've got the 2 and 5 here. So 3, 4, same here, 3, 4. We've got 3, 4, and 5 here, so this is our 2. That 3 and 4 makes this our 5. For this bottom row now, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this column now, we're missing, that 2 makes this our 4, 2, 9, 2, 3, 6, and that 3 makes this our 4, 3. For this column now, we're missing 3 and 9. We've got a 3 here, so 9, 3. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. I don't see any help. So 4, 7, 4, 7. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. Got a 5 here, so 1, 2, 5 here, so 1, 2. That means that our 5 has to be here. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 7. No help here. 1, 4, 7. 7 here, so 1, 4. 1 here, so 4, 7. And for this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 9. This 2 makes this our 1, 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 4 makes this our 7, 4, 7. And that 4 and 7 makes this our 1 and 4. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.